Welcome back to the channel, guys. So excited. We are in Ottawa at Wenty Studios. We were invited by Sarah for the media night, sneak preview into the Haunted Carnival that's going to be running this weekend. It's a prelude to what's coming this October. We're in June and we get to do haunts now. So let's go do them. So happy. Let's go! We got a winner!
They're all gonna laugh at you! Help me, please! Free me! Please!
It's been a long time since I've had company. Wait, where am I? Inside the crystal ball? Shit. I need you to leave while I fix this. I said get out!
Step right up, come on in into Professor Andy's Phantasmagoria, right into the big top. Don't mind the mess that we have here. Our magician Ben had a little mishap with
Oh, victims! I mean guests! Guests! I guess you want to see some magic. Okay, we can do something here. I don't know what that's for. I mean, ta-da. Would you like to see a magic trick?
Yes.
What's your name, my darling?
Mary.
Mary, come on in here. Don't be shy. I don't bite. I don't kill anymore either. 15 years in the... I'm joking. I'm joking.
Are you?
I don't know. Tell you what, I got a deck full of cards here. I want you to reach in, grab any one you want. Not that one! I'm joking. Take that one if you want. Alright, go ahead, take a look at it. You got it?
Yeah.
Alright, perfect. Let me try to get this situated here. Alright, I want, give me the card. I'm gonna take the card. I'm gonna put it somewhere in the middle of the deck. Alright? Let me give the cards a little bit of a shuffle. If you were to see your card again, would you remember it?
Yes.
Are you sure? Forever and ever? You don't need to remember it forever and ever, just a few seconds. Okay, look, all I need to do is, I feel like I should have, oh, right. All I have to do is say the magic word, abracadabra. What time is my shift over? What was your card?
8 of hearts.
The 8 of hearts, are you sure? Woo! That's only part one. That's only part one. If you open up your hand, just like that, okay? If I take the 8 of hearts, put the 8 of hearts in your hand, take your other hand, put it on top.
Oh, God.
Put it on top. Now squeeze the 8 of hearts so tight so there's no possible way I can get at it. Squeezing?
Yeah.
All right, perfect. Now look, 2 of spades. If I take the 2 of spades and I go over and I go under, did you feel that?
No. Feel what?
Okay, let's try it again. If I go over and under, did you feel that? What card are you holding again?
8 of hearts.
See, that's really funny because she says she's holding the 8 of hearts. I actually have the 8 of hearts. And what is in your hand right now?
Oh my god.
The 2 of spades.
That's awesome.
I don't understand how that keeps happening. It's really weird. I'd like to apologize. I'm sorry about that.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Bravo!
Thank you very much.
That's all Ben has for tonight. I'll guide you over this way to the big clown mouth. Only happy and fun. Only happy, fun things coming this way. You survived.
Just finished doing the haunted carnival, and it was amazing. Lots of scares, especially for someone I know, and super cool sets. Actors were all on point. Very long too. Good, like 10 minutes to get through it all, and I would highly recommend